Well, the first of promised Hurricane Irma federal aid has arrived in our area. FEMA started to offer help to people in Okeechobee County today in conjunction with state and local leaders. The county may not have a lot of people, but the damage is extensive. News Channel 5's Alex Hagan with our story tonight.
Community is the name of the game here in Okeechobee County.
3-lane 1! 3-lane 2!
Today, a drive-through of supplies.
All the way down, all the way down.
At the Agri Civic Center.
Keep coming all day. We're over 200 vehicles already.
Members of the National Guard.
5 in the household? Okay, perfect. 5, sir.
Have a great day.
All right, take care, guys.
And sheriff deputies handing out water, food, tarps for those in need. One of few places in our area where FEMA has lended support.
It'll keep coming.
County leaders say it will take some time to recover from the storm, but days like this make it easier.
The outflow is amazing, and we really, truly appreciate it, and we love Okeechobee County, and that's why we try to do everything we can for our citizens.
Many taking advantage of those supplies.
My roof.
Like Nancy Turner on 10th Avenue, her roof badly damaged, leaking water.
I'm terrified about my roof. And I walk across the floor and I think I'm sliding.
Tonight, her son Kenny,
shingles on the roof,
helping her get through it.
The house.
And they're all in good spirits thanks to this community.
We're Okeechobeans.
In Okeechobee.
We can tough it out.
Alex Hagan, WPTV, News Channel 5.